Hello everyone, have you ever used ChatGPT to create a blog posts or essays? Well, it might not be the best idea. Let me explain why. If I ask like this in ChatGPT, it will come up something like this. After then, if you take the content generated by ChatGPT and paste it into an AI plagiarism detector website, it will find that most of the content is actually fake. This means that you could get caught for plagiarism, and that's something that Google really frowns upon. But hang on, there's a solution. You can head over to QuillBot.com, an AI-powered tool where you can paste your blog post or essay and hit the rephrase button. This amazing tool will rephrase your content into a new version that is completely original. It is a great way to improve your SEO ranking and avoid any plagiarism issues. So, give it a try and let me know what you think. And also don't forget to subscribe to QuillBot AI.